Welcome to GoFETCh, your customer data center. I'll be your guide to this training video on how to use the dynamic profile card, also known as the DPC. Please log into the system using your GoFETCh username and password. In this video, you will gain a better understanding of how to work with the dynamic profile card. Remember, the dynamic profile card is defined as a feature that provides you with a dynamic view of each profile, including demographics, psychographics, geolocation, timeline, and notes. In order to access the dynamic profile card, you will need to navigate to the Profiles page, so let's start by clicking on the purple burger menu on the top left of your screen. This is your gateway to all modules available to you within GoFETCh. As you click on Profiles, the Profiles pop-up will appear, which will ask you which section of profiles you would like to access. When clicking on your selection, the system will direct you to the Profiles page. To add a new profile, click on Add Profile, and the New Profile Dynamic Profile Card pop-up will appear. In the Contact section of the Dynamic Profile card, you will capture the basic details of your contact. As you type in certain fields, you will notice that they are suggestive. If the value you are looking for is not there, keep on typing to update. It is important to note that consistency and accuracy is key to keep your entries standardized. In order to navigate between sections in the dynamic profile card, you can either scroll down or use the available tabs at the top of your view. The extended section of the dynamic profile card with More About and Booking Details contains custom fields that your business has selected and are of value to you and your team. The Notes section of the dynamic profile card allows you to add important notes around your interactions with your contacts. To the left of the notes, you will see the meeting date field. Use the date selector to record the date of your meeting. It is important that this field is captured in the dynamic profile card to ensure that these records are available for reporting. The Location section has a search bar menu at the top, which allows you to search for available addresses and pre-populate the address fields. Start by typing the address in the blue search bar. Select the correct option made available to you and press Enter. You will see that the address fields will automatically populate based on the address you selected. Should the correct address not be made available by the search function, you will need to enter the relevant location details. The country and city fields are, however, suggestive to assist you in capturing quickly and accurately. Click on Update Profile and the pop-up will close once saved. Should you wish to update an existing profile, use the Quick Search function at the top right of the Profiles page to find the profile you want to access. To the left of the view, you will see a combined first name and surname, which is a purple hyperlink to open the dynamic profile card for this profile. By accessing an existing dynamic profile card, you will have access to view all existing field values for this profile, as well as update these as you work through the various sections. Remember to always click on Save Changes to this profile and wait for confirmation from the system to make sure that your changes are updated. Another aspect of the dynamic profile card is that you will be able to view profile flags that have been assigned to your contact. For example, opt-in yes, no, unsubscribed, ZB verified, and so on. For definitions on the flags, please visit the glossary section of the GoFETCh wiki. When scrolling down the dynamic profile card or navigating via the tabs, you will note that GoFETCh provides you with a timeline for this profile. The timeline is defined as a collection of interactions relating to a specific profile that are made available for viewing in the dynamic profile card. This view offers you a history of every interaction associated with the profile, including the date and details for each interaction. And that concludes the training on the dynamic profile card. Please take the time to review our other training resources to experience the full power of GoFETCh.